What's up, guys? It's your favorite chef, Chef Thomas here, and today we got a very simple, very easy recipe. We're gonna do some spaghetti and meatballs. You can see we got our ground turkey here. We got our pasta already boiling over here in the pot, and just got a few simple ingredients that we're gonna add into the pasta just to make it better. We got a fresh clove of garlic. We're gonna use about 4 or 5 cloves, and we have half a head of a shallot. So let's get into this recipe. We'll start with our shallot. We're gonna take all this unnecessary skin out. A shallot is pretty much a cousin of the onion. I love shallots just because it brings a different flavor to the dish other than just using your onion. And it's just sexy, like shallot. Like, say it with me. If you're watching this video right now, just say it with me. Just say shallot. It just roll off the tongue. All right, so we're gonna do the shallot similar to how we do our onion. We're gonna take our knife, get some nice slices in there. Then we're gonna go into a long way so we can get the strips, get the nice small dice. So now we're gonna start with our garlic. You can do fresh garlic. You can do some already peeled garlic, or you could use garlic paste. It's completely up to you. Me personally, I just like to put on the show and put these knife skills to work. So I'm gonna use the fresh garlic this time. But yeah, you can use however many cloves you would like. I'm choosing to use about 5 or 6 cloves today. Like I said, the more garlic, the better. All right, so now we're gonna take our garlic and give it a rough chop. Doesn't have to be perfectly mixed. We're gonna take half of this garlic and add it into the sauce, and then we're gonna take the other half and add it into our meatballs. So now we're gonna get started with the meat. Pause. We're gonna get started with the meat. So now you gotta season your meat. And we're gonna put the gloves on because you don't wanna touch your meat without the gloves. So we're gonna take some fresh garlic and add it into here. We're gonna take some of these shallots. We're gonna add some of the shallots in there as well. So now we got our seasoning here.
And we're gonna season our meat. Cause nobody wanna know unseasoned meat, you know what I'm saying?
And now for our breadcrumbs. So you gotta add the breadcrumbs just so that the meat like actually stays together. So now we're gonna just get off in there. Bacon cover. Now we're gonna add our egg into the meatball mixture. We got 2 large eggs here. I'm just gonna mix that together. The egg is gonna hold as your binder. You wanna make sure you put these in just so that your meatballs are holding together. We're gonna start making our balls. So you wanna take some of the meat, put it in the center of your hand, pause. You just wanna take it and just roll it. Make you some perfect size balls. You wanna be nice size just so, you know, you want to be some nice sized balls. Like, nobody want no little balls on their spaghetti and meatballs. If you're gonna make little balls, you might as well just ground up the meat and just put it in the sauce. Just saying. We're gonna start off with a hot pan. We're gonna add us some grapeseed oil in the bottom of the pan. And as you can see, the smoke is starting to come from the pan, so that means that the pan is ready for you to drop it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little of this sea salt and just grind it on the top of the turkey. What it does is you pretty much just drown out the meat, and it's just gonna give it a perfect sear. So let's go ahead and start with our meatball. We're gonna just align them in the pan just like this. Now we're about to go ahead and start with the finishing of our plate up. We have 1 pasta over here with the sauce already included. We have another pasta over here without the sauce. So we're just gonna take our tongs and grab us a couple of meatballs and put it on top of the sauceless pasta. It's gonna take about 3 meatballs. Alrighty, so now for our sauceless pasta, we're just gonna take the sauce and just drizzle it on top. Don't worry about the sauce. Sometimes it be like that, that sauce just drip. You can make it as saucy or as dry as you like. It's completely up to you guys. You know, we eating at home, but we're just making it sexy, so. We got this pasta sauce over here. We have the spaghetti over here with the sauce. And we have the spaghetti over here without the sauce. So now it's time to dig in. All right, so now for the fan favorite, we're gonna add that Parmesan Reggiano cheese, cause what's spaghetti without the Parmesan cheese on top? You dig what I'm saying? All right, guys, so as you can see, I got 2 plates here, and I can't eat it myself, so I'm gonna need some help. Let me bring my friend Reese in the building, see what it's hitting on real quick. So,
which one you want? You want the one with the sauce on the pasta or the one with it on top? All right, let's get it. You ready to slurp? Let's do it. This how we gonna cheers.
Okay.
Cheers.
Hey, you might want to call me Black Italian, cause yeah, this the real deal right here. And thank you guys for tuning in and supporting me on this ebook journey. You know, I just showed you guys a plethora of delicious dishes you can make at home. So now it's your time to slurp it up. It's your favorite chef, Chef Thomas.